Yeah. Yeah. So is this since Corona, or is this?
No, since Corona. Since
Yeah.
they had to shut down.
Yeah. So
it was all open when I came down here in March.
Yeah. Right. Wow.
It was all open then. Everything was open.
Yeah.
Restaurants, all that way were all open.
Yeah.
And then they decided, after Corona and the shutdown, they decided to start digging up all this foot.
Oh, okay.
The other side.
Yep. Yep.
But nothing's open.
Yeah.
There's,
So everything's been closed down because of coronavirus at the moment.
Well, after the 2 weeks, places just haven't opened up.
Yeah.
And this is all tourists, and we're not getting any tourists.
Yeah. People are allowed to open up again, but there's just nobody here. It was the same in Ho Chi Minh last night. There was just one of the few people walking around in the place.
Yeah, because it's just a chemist shop that I'd walked to across the road here.
Medicare.
Yeah.
Am I?
Some disinfectants.
Am I? I think him say here.
They do have stuff there that you can get here.
Yeah,
I know.
I think him say here.
Further, there's a chemist, a proper chemist, but.
Is it?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, okay.
But as you can see, being here this time, you must be able to go past him somehow, up around the side.
Go past, okay. Go to the beach. Hum sao, darling, hum sao. Big truck behind us. Oh, quickly, quickly. Okay, so we gotta walk up around this truck. Here, Mum. See, this wouldn't happen in Australia, that's for sure.
I am okay.
And you okay, Mum? Okay, bit of adventure in Vietnam, and thank you. Come on, and lucky because there's already a truck going the other way. So, see, they wouldn't let you walk past an earthworks machine like that in Australia, but here is not a problem. He doesn't even know this kid's running up there. Anyway, I gotta catch up to Lily because this is only the second time in her life she's seen a beach, and the first time's on our other video. So tomorrow I think we'll go for a swim.
Yes, I thought maybe you were going to do that.
Well, she asked, Mum, but I wasn't sure whether we'd do that until we have a look at it.
Yeah, everyone swims.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm very fussy about swimming at beaches.
I don't. But
Yeah.
I don't swim down here. I swim in the pool.
Yeah. Yeah. In Australia we've got good clean beaches, so unless it's a nice beach, swimming there's, you know, you gotta love how thongs keep throwing sand down the back of your shirt. I just bought thongs. Sorry, Mum. Just bought new thongs. Here we go. So this is a genuine fishing village still, and these are their little boats, the round boats that they go out. They go out in these little round boats and just paddle out from here and set nets. Wow.
Oh, they have had big tides since I've been here last. This was all sand all the way down. That there wasn't all exposed.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
This was all beach all the way.
Wow.
You need to
Yeah.
look up there.
Yeah. Am I? She's off. I'll go get her, Mum. bags here on the beach or something, full of sand or that. Or maybe they're bags that they filled up with concrete all the time to hold the beach together. Mum said that a week ago these weren't even exposed, so a week ago there was sand covering all of these all the way up to the top, so obviously if they didn't have these here, it would actually all wash out and there'd be no beach left. This is a beautiful beach. Oh, wow, catch fish. Where? Here we go. My girlfriend catch fish in ocean.
No girlfriend.
My wife catch fish in ocean. Very beautiful fish. I don't know what kind of fish, but him, I think Billy Jet. But she caught him over here and then put him over here. But what a beautiful looking little fish. Him go see, I think not good. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe there's fresh water coming off here. Take him, put in ocean.
Okay, bỏ hốt con.
Mom.
Wow.
There's somebody out in the ocean there swimming. What are they doing? They're diving. There's a diver in the background. In the waves there. I see. I think him swimming out the boat. I say oi. I say oi. So this is Mui Ne Beach. We finally made it. It is really a beautiful beach, actually, and it's not polluted as much as what a lot of the beaches are, and the water seems fairly clear, so it's a good beach for me. Now him out on his boat, so he swam out there to the boat and pulls up the anchor, and they're literally a round boat. It's amazing because they got no bow or stern. You'd think they'd be really hard to control and handle, in the ocean. I don't know why they use them, but apparently they're actually really good in the ocean. But I don't know. I'll have to look them up. So these are actually made of fiberglass now, but traditionally they would have been made of coconut leaves with bitumen on them, and they would have been made similar, all round like that. And I think you've seen one in my other videos that's similar to that. And that's actually a real working fishing boat. They run those nets out and run them out of here, the same as that man out there is right now. Now he had his boat anchored out there and he just swam out to it, and he's laying a net out. And it seems like almost open ocean here at the moment, but this is a fishing village down here at Mui Ne, and so they run the nets out and catch fish. So this is how they hold the sand on the beach here in Mui Ne. There's huge big bags full of sand, and they're really monstrous actually, and the sand all washed out the other day, so they must put all the sand back every now and again and dredge it all back. But that's a huge bag that they've got filled up there with sand, and my mum's up there sitting watching us. So beautiful down the beach. Am I? Last time I was here, all of those concrete pillars there were all covered by sand. So they've had a big storm here that's washed all the beach away. My beautiful. My beautiful. Ah.
One of the resorts
There you
here
go, Mum. Smile.
Hello.
This is my mum on the beach down at Mui Ne. Oh,
Yeah.
This camera is auto gimbling, and so it locks on your face, and see how it comes back.
Yeah. Goes back again. But there must be a place along the beach here that sells food and a drink that you can see,
Yep.
and then come to the water and
Yeah.
go back and forth. There must be something that's still open.
Yeah. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Ah. What's he catching? Sit down. in here? No?
Cái gì nè?
Yeah, no ass. Why no ass?
Đồng xi đây, xem cái gì in here.
Like this, okay. Yeah, Mum. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and just drags the sand through the net.
Yeah, and into the bag.
Yep.
There you go.
And you can see in the little screen what you're looking at.
Yeah.
Right?
Hello Lily, hello Peter. Hello. I will follow you. Lily's shoes are back up the beach. Very.
Thanks, Mum.
Fancy ones.
And buy. so that's the fresh coconuts and the beer. What good looking beer. It's a funny looking glass. Anyway, cheers.
I'll certainly put a head on that beer.
Yep, I like good head. You said it, Mum.
About a week before we closed. So
oh, that would have been unfortunate. Did you get paid for that week?
I didn't
for
get
the
paid
closure?
for the month that I was here. However, they let me stay here and they also fed me.
Oh, that's good.
that was
Well,
So it was the best lockdown that I could have hoped for.
Yeah.
so you got a month in a resort for free.
I got a month in a beachside resort. So
For free, yeah, that's good.
much the envy of all of my friends.
So where are you from?
I'm from Mudgee in
Australia.
New South Wales.
We know where it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm from Queensland.
Okay.
And from just outside of Brisbane. But,
Okay.
but we know where
Excellent.
Mudgee is.
Yeah.
I'm going to make you famous, put you on my YouTube channel. So what's the name of this resort?
This is Sailing Club at Mui Ne.
Yeah.
And this restaurant here is called Sandals.
Sandals. Okay.
Restaurant, yeah.
And so how much a night is it for your basic rooms here?
It starts off at about $200 US. However, with the corona, there's a discount, so I think that it's down around. Actually, I don't know.
Yeah.
Much cheaper.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, you don't want to put the wrong price on
That's
YouTube,
right.
and then no. That blonde guy over there, he said we could have it for $50 a night.
Yeah, that's right. That will come to me. I'll be paying for the difference.
Yeah, you'll be paying the difference. Yeah, no worries. All right. Well, thanks very much, mate.
pleasure.
And just by the way, do you take credit cards here? Yeah,
Absolutely,
of course you do. Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Thanks, mate.
No
Well,
problem.
we'll see you when you get back with our cocktails.
Awesome.
Okay. So.
Would you like some plates to share? Or
That'd be great.
Yep.
Thanks, mate. Yep. Sailing Club Resort, Mui Ne. Very nice, and they've got an awesome pool here, right on the beach. Because I'd much rather swim in that pool than swim on the beach.
In here, on the
The Sailing Club Vietnam. Right on the beach, beautiful.
last drive home มาถึงแบบ